The Pelican 1400 case survived being run over by a truck. Here's what happened next.
Have ever felt that gut-wrenching panic when your expensive gear takes a tumble? That sinking feeling as rain starts pouring on your equipment bag? You're not alone. Thousands of professionals have watched helplessly as their tools betrayed them at the worst possible moment. Drop a comment if you've ever lost sleep worrying about protecting what matters most to your craft.
Picture this. Deadline tomorrow, equipment damaged today. The stress compounds when one accident costs months of savings. Your gear shouldn't be your weakness. Water damage, impact trauma, airport baggage handlers, they're all waiting to destroy what you worked for. Imagine if there was a way to take control without adding more chaos to your already packed schedule and budget.
Enter the Pelican 1400 case, the virtually indestructible fortress that's become legendary among professionals who can't afford failure. This isn't just another plastic box. It's military-certified protection with an automatic pressure valve that breathes at altitude while maintaining a watertight seal. One photographer told us his Pelican survived being accidentally driven over, camera inside completely unharmed. The pick-and-pluck foam transforms into your equipment's perfect bodyguard in minutes, cradling each piece like it's worth its weight in gold. Feel that satisfying click when those latches lock down. That's the sound of absolute certainty. The case whispers confidence every time you grab that rubber handle, knowing your gear is safer than Fort Knox. Here's the insider trick pros love. Pluck your foam pattern slightly tighter than needed. The compression creates an even more secure hold during transport. With its lifetime guaranteed backing every adventure, this black armor has saved countless professionals from disaster. The question isn't whether you need protection. It's whether you can afford not having it.
Watch efficiency skyrocket when organization meets indestructibility. Field engineers report 0 equipment failures after switching to Pelican 1400, while filmmakers credit it for maintaining pristine gear through chaotic productions. "This case saved me thousands in replacement costs," shares one tech influencer who's tested dozens of cases. Emergency responders swear by its instant organization in crisis situations. Everything exactly where it needs to be, protected from whatever nature throws. One aviation technician calls it 4 years of daily abuse with 0 compromise. Can you imagine the relief of never worrying about rain, sand, or that inevitable coffee spill? The foam creates a sanctuary where each tool has its throne. Military units specify it because failure isn't an option. Scientists trust it with instruments worth more than cars. Yet it's the everyday creator who benefits most, transforming anxiety into confidence with every click of those steel-reinforced latches. Which feature would revolutionize your workflow? The waterproof seal that laughs at storms, or the custom foam that ends the rattling chaos? Comment below what valuable you'd protect first. The case doesn't just guard equipment, it guards your reputation, deadlines, and peace of mind.
Limited stock alert, join thousands who've already bulletproofed their success with Pelican 1400 case. Professional photographers, military operators, and smart creators aren't waiting for disaster to strike first. This lifetime guaranteed fortress sells out fast because word spreads when something actually delivers on every promise. Don't gamble with what matters. Secure yours today and discover why one customer called it the best insurance policy I never filed. Click now and unlock the foam customization guide that turns protection into an art form. Transform your workflow today.